No, I don't want to be record. You want to record it?
I'll delete it, dude. It won't go online.
That's not the point. Like that's like
It's for
I'm not in that mode right now.
It's just for us to learn something.
It's his personal project.
No, but that's okay. But you should be always make the subjects comfortable. You don't ever go to users and say, hey man, I want to do a test now. You just give it to me. That's not the way it is.
Do you want?
Okay, so I will go first. So I really like this guy, and I think it's like a new breed of music, which is very deep composition wise. Like it's very, I don't want to say complex, but it's very nice. And yeah, it's something new, I feel. What else did I say? Did I say it was nice? Yeah, it inspires me. I think it's like music from another place, you know, it's not from this place. And I think it's so good that a lot of people are just like catching this vibe, and they are starting to do things on their own. It's like a new trend that has started. Like that crew guy, you know, Situ I, that's one person. Like one guy has done that style of music like on his own, from his home. It's really inspiring, and not just because this guy is doing it. It's like the music has something in it that you catch that. It's pretty cool. I like it. What else? I think it's been 2 minutes, right? See the timer on that says 0.
If you want to say something, then say something, na? Bas. Technically, even.
If you want to say technically, is the one no? Is the no?
Yeah, and I think the fact that he uses 8 strings allows him to do a lot of cool stuff. You know, catch the different spectrums in music, which is not possible before. Like before, the bass player does one spectrum, and then but in this, it's like one coherent thought. You know what I'm saying? Like with one instrument, it's much more together, because it's when two people are composing it, it's like the bass player will do his thing, which is. But in this, he puts it together, which is damn cool, and you need a lot of skill to do that. It's like twice as much. Damn cool. Okay, that's it.
Cool. See, like ऐसा ही जैसे ये first thought था तेरा, prepared तो नहीं था, but this is